We are introducing the ability to get 1.5% cash back for bill payments and make reconciliation a breeze by paying your bills with the Ramp card. With this product feature, we will auto-match card transactions in Ramp to the relevant open bills from your accounting provider and sync them as bill payments. This is available for QuickBooks Online, Xero, Sage Intacct, and NetSuite. Now let's take a look at how this works in Ramp. First, you'll go to your Accounting tab to view your transactions. If a match has been identified, we will suggest it for you, which you can see here, allowing you to easily match your transaction to the open bill. If we did not identify a suggestion, you can also go into any of your transactions and match them. Once you choose a transaction, scroll down, click Match to Bill. Ramp will pull in bills from your accounting ERP for your review. Make sure your transaction amount matches the bill amount, or you will not be able to match and mark ready to sync. Once you've selected the open bills that have been auto-populated, you can click Match and Mark Ready. If you need to undo the action for any reason, you can do so by clicking Undo at the upper right-hand corner. When you are ready to sync to your accounting ERP, you can click Sync, and we will notify you at the top when your transaction has been successfully synced. And now we'll head over to your accounting ERP. Go to Transaction, Payables, Pay Single Vendors, List. Find the bill. You will see the account is tied to the Ramp card account once it gets charged to your Ramp bill, which you will pay at the end of your statement.